The sum of sigma and pi bonds in the X and cyclohexatriene Y is Y minus X. Value of Y minus X is, let us see, X is the molecule having 3 methyl group at one position and there is a double bond. In this compound, pi bond is equal to 1. It is presented here and there is a 2 sigma bonds for this carbon from the hydrogen 2, and here one sigma is there 4. Here 3 hydrogens with 3 sigma 5, 6, 7, and 8th one is this one, and here 3 hydrogens are presented this carbon 9, 10, 11, and sigma bonds is equal to 11, and the total is 12, and Y compound is cyclohexatriene. It is a cyclohexane and 3 pi bonds are there. For each carbon there is a 1 hydrogen because 3 bonds are appear in that compound for each carbon, and for this carbon total pi bonds is equal to 3, and first pi bond, second pi bond, third pi bond, and total sigma bonds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, with hydrogens 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total sigma bonds is equal to 12, that is sum is 15. Then here x is equal to 12 and y is equal to 15, and asking one is y minus x, that is 15 minus 12, and answer is 3. How many types of overlappings is found in this molecule? It is the compound CH3, and here is the unsaturated part. For that overlapping purpose, see the hybridization of each carbon. It is in sp2 hybridized, it is also in sp2 hybridization, it is sp3 hybridization, and here this bond is erased by the sp2 to sp3 overlapping, and it is also same type of hybridization sp3 to sp2, and here the sigma bond is formed by the overlapping of sp2 to sp2, and this hydrogen bond is obtained by the sp2 to s hydrogen overlapping sp2 to s orbital, and here 3 sp3 s hybrid orbitals are there, sp3 to s. Total 4 types of bonds are presented, overlappings. A saturated hydrocarbon has 6-membered ring. 6-membered ring indicates cyclohexane. There are 3 alkyl group attached to the ring alternate position. Alternate position indicates after one carbon there is no substitution, and alternate one by one substitutions are presented. First group has only 2 carbon atoms. It indicates in first carbon only 2 carbons are attached at first position, and second group has 3 carbon attached to the 6-membered ring through the secondary carbon. If it is the second position, it has 3 carbon. In that 3 carbons, the secondary carbon is attached to the ring 1, and third group has totally 3 carbons in a straight line, and if it is the third group, 3 carbons are present in a straight line. And the question is, how many tertiary hydrogen atoms are presented? Tertiary hydrogens are bonded to tertiary carbon. See, it is the tertiary carbon, and it is also tertiary carbon, it is also a tertiary carbon, and it is also a tertiary carbon. For each tertiary there is a one hydrogen is presented. So totally four tertiary carbons and four tertiary hydrogens are there. And 49, how many secondary carbon atoms are present? Here asking one is carbons, not hydrogens. It is the secondary carbon, and it is also a secondary, it is also a secondary, it is also a secondary, and it is the primary one. Here this is the primary one, and it is also a primary, and here is the secondary one, and here also secondary one. Total secondary carbons are 1 2 3 4 5 6. Total secondary hydrogens are, secondary carbons are 6 secondary carbons. How many substitutions are present in parent chain? Substitution indicates a side chain to the root word. Side chains are called substitutions. First you have to select the longest carbon chain. If it is the longest carbon chain, 6 7, and from this side also 6 7, and for this side also 5 6 7. So total 7 carbons are root word. For the selecting root word, you have to select more side chains presented. Root word is the correct one. Both sides are numbering same, then which one is highly substituted is the root word. For this compound it is the root word 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. To this root word, here one of the side chain is chloro and another one is ethyl, and next side chain is propyl 2 bromo, and there is a methyl at 5th position and methyl at 6th position. Totally 4 substitutions are presented. According to Iupac numbering, position of OH and Br is M and N. Then sum of M plus N is, for the selecting root word, here cyclo is the root word, and to the cyclic ring it is a functional group and it is a prefix. Compared to prefix, functional group will get high priority, and to this double bond we have to complete numbering. Then final root word is this one. OH is present at first position and bromine is present at sixth position. Totally 1 plus 6 is equal to 7 is the answer. How many carbon atoms are present in parent chain? Select the longest carbon chain, and it is the longest carbon chain. Here in this longest carbon chain, totally 8 carbons are presented. Totally 8 on the answer. IUPAC name of the compound is, here acid halide is the suffix. You have to start numbering from the acid halide group, and 2 3 bromoamine. B starts from B and it starts from A. As for alphabetical order, amine will get least priority, least numbering, 4 5 6. 3 amino, 3 amino, 4 5 bromo, benzene, carbonyl chloride.